special vehicles in your vehicle warehouse, how to receive them. You get that one of one bike. Did you see that? It disappeared. You get that one of one bike that you only own one of, that's a two-seater. You put it in the back of your MOC and you drive it out, and if it disappears, you go back in and drive it out again. Normal give cars to friends procedure. Just go into the parking garage. Get on the bike again. Press right on the D-pad to get out. Get off the bike. Go on foot into the penthouse garage. Second option this time. Head into the elevator. Press the home button on your controller. Wait until you spawn outside, or you hear the wasted sound, or both. If you appear inside your penthouse, you need to start over. If you appear outside and you let go of the menu, release yourself out of the menu, and you hear the wasted sound, you know you did it correctly. So run back into the other side of the casino over here where you left the bike. Get back on the bike. Have your friend get on it and pause it. Head over to the back of the MOC. You're going to boot your friend off by pushing right on the D-pad when you get close. Back up until you don't see the alert to enter anymore. Do 2 story mode alerts. Return the vehicle to storage. That'd be the bike. Call out the vehicle that you are receiving, your old one that's not modded. Mine appeared behind the Wastelander over there. So you can see there's 2 of them over there. Do 1 more story mode alert. Enter alone in the back of the MOC while your friend is nearby it. I'm going to go get in the modded Wastelander while you see my Duffy looking one behind it right there. Alright, now if you get stuck in here, you just have your friend invite you to the to their CEO. If you start falling through the map like I did, it doesn't happen a lot, but sometimes it does. You just got to find your way back up to the casino. I was checking to see if it put me in God mode, because that was eerily similar to the God mode glitches, but no, it did not. So I headed back up to the casino to come and get the rest of this process done and go receive a second vehicle warehouse vehicle. Let's see if we can get 2 done in 10 minutes. So I am job teleporting back up to the casino. If you want to learn how to job teleport, there's a video tutorial on my channel for it. You'll have to look way back, but it's back there. So we call the MOC back out, register as a motorcycle club president, call out the bike that we used to glitch out, drive it up into the back of the MOC. Accept this alert so it bumps the vehicle that we're trying to move into the correct spot. Now if we call out the Wastelander from our interaction menu, we get the modded one, so you know we did it right. There it is over there. Alright, now the second vehicle. We're going to just go back to back. Special vehicles for our vehicle warehouse. Just going to return that to the warehouse. Now the bike is in the back of the MOC, ready to go. So we're going to back to back this shit. Use the same bike. She's going to give me the armored box wheel next. Man, these fucking cars are relentless. Spawn back in the way all the fucking time. If you don't want that to happen, you gotta back your MOC up to the end of the aisle. Or park on the side in the row parking spaces. Alright, so we pull the same bike out. We're gonna go glitch out again, same process. Roll up into the parking garage. Roll on out by pushing right on the D-pad when we get back on the bike. Get off and go back in on foot. Hit the second option, which is the penthouse garage. Run up into the elevator. Do the same thing again. Hit the home button. Wait on the menu until you see your character spawn outside. Then cancel the menu. You hear the wasted sound, you know you're good. So run on over to the bike again. Should have your friend waiting nearby. They get on it and pause it. And go back to the MOC again. Kick them off by pushing right on the D-pad. If the cars are in the way, have your friends clear out the way. Back up until you don't see the option to enter the MOC anymore. Do your 2 story mode alerts. Return the bike to storage via the interaction menu. Call out the vehicle that you're receiving, your old one anyway. So armored box wheel from my vehicle warehouse. Alright. Do another story mode alert. Go into the back of the MOC, enter it alone. While you're invisible, go do the normal procedure and get up in their modded vehicle that you're receiving. Alright. Then you're going to go and register as a motorcycle club president. Call out the same bike again. Drive it up into the back of the MOC one more time. And it will be in there ready to receive another special vehicle. And it will push the special vehicle to the warehouse to the correct location. No dead spot. Then you'll be able to call it out with the interaction menu. Just like we did the Wastelander. So run outside, perform a quick test. That's 2 special warehouse vehicles back to back in 10 minutes. So we just call out the armored box wheel. And there it is. Got it. Alright guys, have a good day.